let's jump right into month 5. This is August of 2023. So total blog, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everything, I did 104 pieces of content. Now on YouTube, this is my second month doing longs. I did 9 long videos, and then on shorts, technically I was supposed to have done 9 for this month, but 3 of them uploaded last month, so you could say I did 6, I guess. Whoopses happen, and it's kind of confusing on the scheduling when you mess up. So anyway, 6 or 9, whatever you want to call it. Quick look here. This again is like shorts and longs combined. We got 1.2K views or 1204, 1,204. Watch time, 10.5 hours. Subscribers, 4. Overall, this is not looking like a great month. It's pretty huge drop in numbers. So that's a bummer. Not very motivating or inspiring, but I keep going. I don't waver on my scheduling. Now we're going to go ahead and go to see more. Here's just a quick look. These are shorts and longs mixed together, which is not my favorite thing. So we are going to move over to the other view. But I will say there's no real standouts. If you look at just views, nothing over even like 300, watch time, nothing over 3 hours, nothing all that exciting. I mean, we got like click-through rate over here. Just overall, not that exciting. I will say if you look down here, again, that when to start wearing maternity clothes has a great click-through. It's 9.8%, which is like amazing for a long form video. So the people that are seeing it fed to them as far as impressions, a decent amount are viewing it. So that's great, of course. And then within the see more, we can go to content type to see that split of the videos versus the shorts and the watch time. Okay, now let's jump back to the home page. Let's go ahead and break into it. So we're going to go home, content. We can take a quick look at shorts, but I'm really just not that interested in shorts. Here's what it looks like in general. Let's do a quick see more. Okay, there's quick numbers there. Let's back out of here. Okay, so content like views, nothing amazing at all. Nothing amazing. So that's why we're not going to do much there. Let's go ahead and jump back over here and go videos. So views under 1,000 views. Average like click-through rate, average view duration, not great. So in the see more, I at least had a decent day here, but my channel was just like dead in the water this month. Really weak. Okay, so again, let's take a look at my long form videos here. The views are just not that impressive. Impressions, I always say I don't care about those because they're not in my control. Click-through rate, again, like I pointed out, this video, maternity clothes, had a great click-through rate. And then as far as which video was getting like a good average view duration, I would say, again, that was the maternity clothes one. This one on dad, still doing well. This one here, advantages of being a minimal mom. So this one was a whoops on how it got published immediately, but then it did get really good average view duration. So interesting. And then we've got a 3rd trimester to-do list, prepare for baby. That got a decent amount of average view duration. Now, again, these depend on how long the video is. So I do like to pull up the average percent viewed. And then let's go ahead and also pull up the watch time in hours. So now those two are going to be right here. And again, we want the highest percentage possible. Like this one, it's under a minute, but percentage-wise, that's not too bad. This one here, great percentage viewed. How to have a baby on a budget. Because this video was so short, a minute was actually, about 1/3 of the video. So it's really interesting to see. And then like watch time, my best one was 10 lists to get you prepared for labor. So I've got different videos performing at different levels. Different ones have better CTR, but average view, percent viewed, watch time. It's interesting. It's interesting how it all comes together. And I think at the end of the day, it really is like you want to create that perfect video that's got good CTR, good average view duration, good like watch hours from it. It's the right length and just hits all the marks. So that's what I'm trying to achieve and trying to do and trying to make a good, not good, but a great video that's right for my viewers. It grabs their attention, it holds their attention, and it teaches them something and helps them. So overall, I don't feel like I had one major standout video. I had a little bit of good in a lot of different areas. Now, this was month 5. After this, you will see month 6. And that one, I'm going to do a little bit of a synopsis of the 6 months, a quick little, some screenshots comparing those numbers across the 6 months, see how I'm doing, how I'm growing or not growing. Like I said, this month was a little bit weak. So come back and check out month number 6. It'll be on the playlist. It'll be in the description and hopefully at the end of this video. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.